All right, traders, welcome. Patrick with Trading123.net. Here we are on Taco Tuesday, April 8th, 2025. And today we mainly traded the ES. Had some issues with NQ data lag. So majority of our trades were ES, and then we also traded with our new order flow bot. So we ended up doing 8 trades today for $4,800 in profits. This was our first one shortly after it opened. 2 contracts of the ES, catch an uptrend, and we get 300 bucks and we take it. So this is our next trade in the NQ, and we're catching an uptrend here. Breakout starts, and bot catches a leg here, and another leg here, and we get 598 profit. See, this is where I got filled way up here instead of down here. So lousy fill, data issue, I don't know. NQ was like a little lagging today. So we didn't do many trades with that. So just after 10 o'clock, we had an issue with our NQ chart just locking up NinjaTrader, and took a good 10-15 minutes to shut everything down. And luckily I was in a trade, but the stop got out, so I didn't get washed out by it. That's why I run 2 computers, so I can log into another computer that's running to the left of me and flatten anything if the machine locks up, but that doesn't happen often. So here's our next trade in the ES. Right around 10:30, we caught a down move and an up move, and we'll take the 525. Don't want to be involved in any trade, when the new with any news coming out. There was one point today where the news hit the market and it just went 100 miles an hour, the NQ. So here's a new chart, and as you see, we started about here after NQ chart locked up. So here's the data lag. It gets long here, and then short up here. So just didn't like the way the NQ was going and the data lag. So we got our 649 and called it a day with the NQ, and the rest of the trades are ES. And the same thing happened yesterday. I think it was right around 10 or just before 10, when the market tariff news got released, fake news. All of a sudden, the data feed gets disconnected, and couldn't connect to Rhythmic or Ninja, and apparently there was some type of issue. So that's why I took a break and came back like 11:30, 12 o'clock, and just said enough of this, and started trading again. So there are issues that happen along the way in trading, and you just got to deal with them. But 99% of the time, most days are no issues at all. And then here's a trade we got in with our order flow bot, trading the ES. Quick $400 on 2 contracts. It reads the order flow. So here you got heavy sellers coming in this downtrend and quick profits. And here's a trade on the ES in the power hour. 2 contracts, profit target, stop loss, and then another short, and we get 488, and we'll take the money, like Steve Miller says, take the money and run. As you can see, our cloud indicator, when these lines get really tight like this, narrow, that means a big move is coming, and that's exactly what happens. And then you dial in your stops to the cloud line here, as we got them dialed in perfectly, and then it zigzags here and fires off another short for a great trade. And our home run trade of the day with the ES, 1,050 profit on 2 contracts. Same setup as the last one, took the short. Then a nice reversal to the upside and positive slippage there, 1,050 hit. And we did some manual trades here with the volume delta order flow indicator here. This one here, it works with the order flow bot, but this is a manual trade. A lot of sellers, went short 2 contracts, caught a nice dive, got some great profits on that one. Then another one here, another dive after 12. And then here's a trade set up with the order flow bot, with the bot doing all the work on 2 contracts. Shorted this heavy sell side volume here and wrote it down for 16 ticks, it looks like. And then a long, up we go. Made a nice profit, $800 there. So this bot has been crushing it on the ES. It only trades the ES. Look at this big volume. That's why I was scalping it earlier, as I showed. And we were trading new Apex account here, and on the day we ended up with 1,200 profit. Trying to get another account, funded account. So great day of trading. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here and check out our AlgoBot and order flow bot. We got a couple guys that have been using this past couple weeks and are crushing it each day. $2,000 to $3,000 in profits each day on this thing. So be sure to check it out. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and good luck with your trading. We'll catch you in the next one.